Strings in Python. Strings in Python started by either by marks or double quotation mark. Both are equivalent. We can use single quotation mark. We can use double quotation mark. We can display a string literal with print function. Let's see. S let s is equal to hello, or s is equal to hello. So s is equal to, and s is, both s are a string. So double quotation mark or single quotation mark, both are have same meaning. S is string, s is str string, and type of capital S is also a string. So we can use print function to print a string. Print s, so s will be printed, and print capital S, print will be string will be printed. So let's see assigning a string to a variable. So we can assign a string to any variable. The naming convention applies. On the other hand, what is multi-line string? Multi-line string, when we use single quotation, then we cannot use uh, a multi-line. So s is equal to line 1, and it will throw an error. However, we can use quotation or comma marks 3 times to make it double line. S is equal to 1 to 3, and line 1, line 2, line 3, so on, and we can close it. Now s is a string, multi-line string. Type of s is str, and you can observe that a new line character has been inserted. So we can use the string with the same double quotation mark, that s is equal to 1 2 3, and line 1, line 2, line 3. So s is equal to the same as, and type of s is string. So this is used, the double 3 commas are used for, the 3 quotation are used for multi-line string. One interesting thing is that Python ignores strings. Python ignore multi-line or any word, multi-line strings. Python ignores multi-line strings with who are not assigned to a variable. So we can comment a multi-line in Python using this technique. This is a technique basically. This is not recommended by this is not included in a multi-line comments are not included in Python, but we can use this, and we can comment a multi-line. Okay, same thing we have discussed. And note the result, the line breaks are inserted at the same position in the code. We have seen strings are array. We can see that strings are basically arrays, and we can access its number with indexing. Let's see. A string s is equal to hello. So s, 0 is should be h, okay, and s minus 1 should be o, and s 1 should be E. We can iterate over strings. Let's see. For C in S, print C plus. So let's see what happened. So this is the string. We printed it. We can use index and so on. So basically, string is a type of array, and we can access it. It's every member with indexing. Looping through. We have loop. We can use another example for x in print x. Okay, same thing I have done before. String length function, len function is used to get the string of a length of a function. String is 5. Okay, we can get the string of s equivalent, same thing. So length is a string checking. To check if a certain phrase or character is present in string, we can use the in operator. Let's see how it works. So text is the best thing in the life. We have to check print best in text. So it present the true. So it is present in the string. If statement, how we can use, if it is present, then we can use same thing. If it is true, then do something else. Print best is present in text, so it is present. We can also use not in operator. We can use not in operator also. So not in best thing. Sorry. So as this is not present, so no string will be printed. Okay, you can use not in operator also. Thank you.